Sairam students, welcome back. Today we will start 18th lesson Defense Forces. The Indian Armed Forces are the military forces of the Republic of India. It consists of three professional uniformed services: the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. The Indian Armed Forces are under the management of the Ministry of Defence of the Government of India. It is the world's second largest military force and has the world's largest volunteer army. Now we will start question answers. Answer the following questions. First, who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer, President of India. Present President of India is Ramnath Kovind. The President has military powers. He is the Supreme Commander of the Defence Forces of India. He appoints the chiefs of the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. He can declare war or conclude peace subject to the approval of the Parliament. Second, who was the first Field Marshal of the Indian Army? Answer, Sam Manekshaw. Field Marshal, abbreviated as FM, is a five-star general officer rank and the highest attainable rank in the Indian Army. Sam Manekshaw was conferred the rank on 1st January 1973. Third, where is National Defence Academy located? Answer, Khadakwasla, Pune. The National Defence Academy is the joint services academy of the Indian Armed Forces, where cadets of the three services, the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force, train together before they go on to respective service academy for further pre-commission training. It is the first tri-service academy in the world. Fourth, which is the highest gallantry award that is given to a soldier of Indian Army? Answer, Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. Paramveer Chakra translates as the greatest of the ultimate brave, and the award is granted for most conspicuous bravery in the presence of the enemy. 21 military personnel have received this award to date. 20 have been from the Indian Army and one has been from the Indian Air Force. Fifth, who was the first recipient of the Paramveer Chakra? Answer, Major Somnath Sharma. Major Sharma, with a broken arm, staved off enemy attacking on Budgam Aerodrome and Srinagar. He was personally filling magazines and issuing them to the light machine gunners. His death inspired the fellow soldiers to fight the enemy 7-1 for 6 hours. Bravery and leadership of highest order was displayed by Major Sharma, for which he was awarded the first Paramveer Chakra on 26 January 1950. His last message to headquarters was, "The enemy is 50 yards from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I shall not withdraw an inch, but will fight to the last man and the last round." Sixth, what is the name of India's surface-to-air missile? Answer, Akash. Akash is a medium-range mobile surface-to-air missile defense system developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. The missile system can target aircraft up to 30 km away at altitudes up to 18,000 meters. It has the capability to neutralize aerial targets like fighter jets, cruise missile and air-to-surface missiles, as well as ballistic missiles. Seventh, which is India's largest warship? Answer: INS Vikrant. The first INS Vikrant played an important role in India's victory in the Eastern Theater during the 1971 war. INS Vikrant, also known as Indigenous Aircraft Carrier 1, is an aircraft carrier constructed by the Cochin Shipyard Limited for the Indian Navy. It is the first aircraft carrier to be built in India. The name Vikrant means courageous. The motto of the ship is Jai Ma Samayudhi Spardah, which is taken from Rigveda and means I defeat those who fight against me. India currently has INS Vikramaditya as the only operational aircraft carrier, while INS Vikrant is scheduled to be commissioned into service by August 2022. 8. Who was the Indian Army general before whom the Pakistan Army surrendered during the 1971 war? Answer: Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. In 1971, India won the war against Pakistan that resulted in the birth of Bangladesh, then East Pakistan. War ended after the chief of the Pakistani forces, General Amir Abdullah Khan Niazi, along with 93,000 troops, surrendered to the joint forces of Indian Army and Bangladesh Mukti Bahini. The war lasted for just 13 days and is one of the shortest wars in history. Indian army brought Pakistani army to its knees, took 90,000 Pakistani prisoners and gave 75 million people of Bangladesh their independence. Ninth, to which wing of the Indian Armed Forces does the rank Commodore belong? Answer: Navy. Commodore is a senior naval rank used in many navies, which is equivalent to brigadier and air commodore, that is superior to a navy captain, but below a rear admiral. As an official rank, a commodore typically commands a flotilla or squadron of ships as part of a larger task force or naval fleet commanded by an admiral. And near which Indian city is Wagah, the Indian border post? Amritsar. Amritsar is 32 km away from the India-Pakistan border, known as the Wagah border. Its Indian name is Attari. This is the only road crossing from India into Pakistan. Each day around sunset, thousands of Indians, Pakistanis, and foreigners gather to watch the unique tradition of the changing of the guard ceremony, flag down ceremony, and the synchronized marching of the guards on both sides of the border. Do you know, students, Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sikhon is the only winner of Paramveer Chakra in the Indian Air Force. Students, we have completed 18th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Three logos are displayed on the screen. You have to identify these logos. First logo is Yes, Indian Army. Second logo is Indian Air Force. Third logo is Indian Navy. Indian Army Day is celebrated on January 15. Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on October 8. Indian Navy Day is celebrated on December 4. Students, we have completed 18th lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Take care.